Got Jaden with the M4 CS. Okay. That's the muffler right there.
Okay, just bring up 16 on 7, 8 French.
A few moments later.
Let's hear it, bro. So we tried installing intakes on his car, but it didn't work because like something was off and it wasn't fitting, unfortunately. I wasn't able to film it, but we installed the Borla exhaust with the boosted 6 downpipes. So we might end up hitting, a car meet in a little bit, but you know what I'm saying? We got the M4 CS, we got the Q. Hey, if y'all boys need any sort of car work done, pull up to DR Transmissions in Margate. They're legit. Are we hitting that car meet?
Yeah, it's got a little rep battle going.
Damn. I think I lost. See, all my Infiniti drivers out there, you don't have to sound like shit. What you finna get? A Tommy or what?
Tommy or MBRP, honestly.
For sure. What about Motordyne?
Motordyne, and I was looking at Soho Motorsports. They have the single tip. I don't know, we'll see.
They want to know what the setup is, bro. What's the setup?
Downpipe, exhaust, that's it.
I'm gonna add an intake for sure. Probably a boosted 6 intake.
1 hour later.
Damn, y'all boys, I was not recording, but that boy Jaden just got pulled over. These 2 cops, they were fucking parked up in some random parking lot. Just got some gas and shit. We're leaving the fucking Wawa. They fucking got him. I don't know, some bullshit. We're about to see what's up, but we're about to pull up to this car meet, and I'll let y'all boys know what happens.
Right out with the 4 CS.
Alright, let's go.
Let's do it.
Remember, do not be too close to me, please.
I'll try to be as close as possible.
Do not
just got
be too
pulled
fucking
over.
close. The cops don't want you.
You're too close to me, bro.
Please back up. I don't want another
Get a load of this guy. Oh. Shit.
Hey.
Hey,
You're looking a little close there, boy.
you gonna do something strange for a piece of change?
We got goobers in the car next to us, I'm not gonna lie, chat.
Close your valve! I want to hear his exhaust.
I'm not used to this. Those downshifts are nasty. What the fuck was that?
What is that?
I heard it a little bit. What could that be?
I don't know. Go again?
It's definitely concerning, but it's gone. Let's just pretend we never heard that chat. All right, we never heard that.
It was just breaking in. It was
just breaking in. It was like a Gen 2 HKS blowout valve.
Got the CS here.
Yo, this shit's quick.
We just left the car meet. Loki was dead.
Y'all seen that one little clip. It wasn't too much going on, but there were some interesting cars.
Bro, those people were in the back seat.
Do a drift.
One drift, please.
Bro, it's too late, bro.
No, it doesn't matter, bro.
Cops are already out there.
They are always out there.
That shit probably didn't catch none of it. Score.
Score.
Can I drift the all-wheel drive Q, guys.
Oh shit.
Unplug the all-wheel drive capability. Oh, that is fast.
2,000 years later.
I'm late as fuck to my appointment, bro, at work. But landscapers got grass all over my shit. But I fixed the exhaust, as you can see. It's now even. It was very uneven. I fixed it. It's centered now, and it's sticking out the same amount. And it's looking nice, bro. I really like how it's looking clean. Anyways, though, I'm about to give y'all a little cold start real quick. Anyways, I was just fixing up some of the sleeves, but I'm gonna try to see if I could show y'all the underside. This is what the backside's looking like. We got the muffler, all the piping, got some resonators right there. Yeah, I don't think, when I go back and edit, you know, I'll know, but I don't think I showed y'all what the bottom looks like. Can't really get up in there too well, but as y'all can see, boosted 6 lower downpipes right there, connecting all the way up to the upper cats. Car's looking nice and clean. I just cleaned it. Still haven't decided yet what we're gonna do with the badging. I low-key wanna take all of it off. I think it would look better, but let me know what y'all think in the comments. I don't know what y'all think. Running the 245/40 Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. I just need to lower it. When the sun isn't too bright and it's not like too dark either, the car just be hitting, bro.